Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to start a series of videos about language translation. It's from English to Tagalog to Visayan. So here I have only 5 for just the beginning, see if it works. So comment down below if you like it so I can make some more. So let's get started. This is my words pick of the day. So here, language translation, and have English, Tagalog, Visayan. So my first choose a word is love, then because, and therefore, and number 4 is need, number 5 is interested. So love in Tagalog, pag-ibig, in Visayan, gugma, and number 2, because, in Tagalog, kasi. Sometimes Tagalog is hard for me to pronounce, but because I am originally Visayan, I'm from Cebu, in the middle of the Philippines. So I'm Visayan, so I'm good in Visayan. So because, kasi, kay. Number 3, therefore, sa makatuwid. That's a really hard word for Tagalog. And in Visayan, busa. Therefore, sa makatuwid, busa. Number 4, need, kailangan, kinahanglan. Number 5, interested, interesado. So it's the same in Tagalog and Visayan. And if I am right, this is the same word in Spanish also, because some of the words in Filipino language comes from Spanish. So we share some words in Spanish people because long time ago, Spanish people came to the Philippines and bring the religious of Catholicism. So okay, let's go to each of these words I am going to use in a sentence. So let's see. Number 1 here. Number 1 is love. So I am going to use it in a sentence. So, I love you. Mahal kita. So this is different. Pag-ibig translated with mahal. So pag-ibig and mahal it's the same, but you can use it. It's depend on the sentence. So here mahal, pag-ibig, mahal kita. It's easier to use. It's commonly used for Tagalog. Mahal kita. So in Visayan, gugma. Gihigugma ko ikaw. So I love you, mahal kita, gihigugma ko ikaw. Let's go to number 2. Number 2 words of choice is because. So kasi, kay. So in English, because you are nice. Tagalog, kasi mabait ka. Visayan, kay buutan ka. Number 3, the words is therefore. So, therefore, being nice is good. So, here's it, Tagalog again. Tagalog and therefore is sa makatuwid. But here in my sentence, I just use kaya because kaya is easier to use and it's shorter, as you can see. And it's commonly used for the sentence. Sa makatuwid, they're using it sa makatuwid in the sentence, but it's very rare, at least for me. But here in Tagalog, kaya't ang pagiging mabait ay mabuti. In my own language, Visayan, busa ang pagkamaayo, maayo. Almost the same there at the end. So, being nice, being nice, pagkamaayo in Visayan. Alright, let's go to number 4. So this is a choice of word need. So in Tagalog, in English, in sa sentence, I need you. Kailangan kita. kinahanglan ko ikaw in Bisayan. Okay, the last but not the least, because I'm gonna make more videos of this. Number 5. So choose a word interested. So in a sentence, I am interested in this place. In Tagalog, interesado ako sa lugar na ito. In Bisayan, interesado ko ani nga lugar. Interesado. So, interesado is the same in English, it's the same in Visayan and in Tagalog. It's very close to English too. Look at that. Interested, interesado, interesado. So, that's all for today, guys. I hope this video is uh, helping you to know some of the words, simple words that you are interested to learn, and also use it in a sentence. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and ask questions. See something, pick a words for me so that I can translate it and use it into a sentence, and in English, Tagalog, and Visayan. You have a wonderful day. See you in the future. Wash your hands frequently for a healthy lifestyle. You take care. Bye.